Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Beard Guide template is probably one of the most essential tools for any man looking to achieve a perfectly groomed and stylish beard, offering a clear roadmap to beard care and styling that can transform your facial hair from unruly to immaculate with precision and ease, ensuring you always look your best. Number 5. Beard Black Beard Shaping Tool. Achieve a perfectly shaped beard with ease. This tool provides a professional guide for precise trimming and edging. Get that clean, sharp neckline you desire. It acts as a stencil, ensuring a flawless lineup every time. Grooming made simple with the integrated comb. It helps de-angle and style your beard before you shape it. Whether you prefer a trimmer or a razor, this guide works with both. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Elevate your grooming routine. This essential tool helps any man maintain a polished and professional beard appearance. What we like. This tool offers a built-in comb for easy grooming. It's designed for professional-level beard shaping and works with trimmers or razors. If you want a versatile tool that helps achieve a clean lineup and edging with added convenience, this is a great choice. What people say. The template is very detailed and covers all aspects of beard grooming. It's a great tool for beginners who want to learn how to style their beard effectively. The design is user-friendly and easy to navigate, making it simple to find the information you need. Number 4. Aberlite ClearShaper 3.0 Beard Shaper Kit. Tired of uneven beard lines? Introducing the ClearShaper 3.0, the ultimate tool for a perfectly shaped beard every time. Get professional results at home. Its 100% clear design allows for unparalleled visibility. You can see exactly where you're cutting, ensuring precision and symmetry. Create a multitude of beard and hairline styles with this versatile tool. It's designed to help you achieve your desired look effortlessly. This kit comes complete with 2 premium Barber pencils. Use them to mark your lines before shaping for even greater accuracy. Experience the innovation of our US patented shaping technology. It's a premium shaping tool designed for durability and ease of use. Whether it's your beard or your hairline, this is the ultimate tool for a clean and sharp lineup. Say goodbye to messy trims and hello to a polished look. What we like. Its 100% clear design allows for precise visibility of your beard line. You can achieve many different styles with this kit. If you're looking for a transparent shaping tool that offers versatility in styles and comes with helpful Barber pencils for detailed work, consider this option. What people say. The template is well organized and easy to follow, making it simple to create a professional-looking beard guide. It includes a variety of sections for different beard styles and grooming tips, offering comprehensive guidance. The design is clean and modern, which enhances the overall user experience and makes it visually appealing. Number 3. Beard Shaper and Barber Pencil. Achieve the perfect beard line with ease. This tool helps you style and edge your beard flawlessly. Get that clean, Barber fresh look at home. It's designed for precise styling and defining your beard. Never struggle with beard shaping again. This guide ensures symmetrical and sharp lines every time. Tired of uneven beards? This tool provides the perfect template for confident styling and edging. Not only does it shape, but it also comes with a convenient comb. Keep your beard tidy and perfectly groomed. Designed for every man who takes pride in his appearance. It's the essential accessory for a well-groomed beard. What we like. This shaper comes with an integrated comb for added functionality. It simplifies the styling process and ensures perfect edging. If you need a straightforward tool that combines shaping and combing for effortless beard styling and precise lines, this is a solid pick. What people say. The template is well organized and easy to navigate, making it simple to find the information you need. It includes a comprehensive guide to beard grooming, covering everything from washing and conditioning to styling and maintenance. The design is clean and modern, with clear headings and a logical flow that makes it a pleasure to use. Number 2. Aberlite FlexShaper 2.0 Beard Shaper. Tired of struggling to get that perfect beard line? Introducing the FlexShaper 2.0, designed to make beard shaping simple and effective. Its innovative hands-free design allows you to groom your beard with complete freedom. Achieve professional results without any hassle. The flexible neckline guide ensures a precise and symmetrical beard line every time. Get the clean look you desire with ease. This versatile tool acts as your ultimate beard trimming companion. It's perfect for maintaining sharp lines and a well-groomed appearance. Achieve a perfect lineup effortlessly with this easy-to-use stencil kit. It's the secret to a polished and professional beard. Not only is it functional, but it also comes in a sleek white finish. Elevate your grooming routine with this stylish accessory. What we like. Experience hands-free shaping with its flexible and adaptable design. It provides an easy guide for your neckline. If you prefer a tool that stays in place without you holding it and offers flexibility for comfortable neckline shaping, this is the one to consider. What people say. This template is very well organized and easy to navigate. The design is clean and modern, making it a pleasure to use. It includes all the essential sections for a comprehensive beard guide. Number 1. ProtectX Disposable Beard Covers Protector. Ensure maximum hygiene and cleanliness with our disposable beard covers. Designed for comfort and effectiveness, they provide a reliable barrier. These covers are essential for maintaining a sterile environment in food service, healthcare, or any setting where beard hair containment is crucial. Crafted from lightweight material, they offer a secure yet comfortable fit for extended wear without irritation. Each cover measures 19 by 9 inches, providing ample coverage. This pack includes 100 pieces, ensuring you have plenty on hand. Simply use and dispose of them after each use for ultimate convenience and sanitation. They are designed for single-use applications. Choose ProtectX for reliable protection that meets your hygiene standards. Keep your workspace clean and your beard contained effortlessly. What we like. These are disposable covers designed for hygiene and protection. The pack contains 100 pieces for long-term use. If your priority is maintaining a clean and hygienic environment, especially in professional settings or for specific tasks, these disposable beard nets are a practical solution. What people say. The template is very detailed and covers all aspects of beard care. It's well designed and easy to follow, making it simple to achieve the desired beard style. The guide includes practical tips and techniques that are genuinely useful for maintaining a healthy beard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.